So, once na nandito ka na sa Spain, it would depend kasi kung ano yung path na pinili mo. Kung yung 1 year digital nomad visa ba na in-apply sa consulate in the Philippines, or the one na 3 years residence authorization directly here in UHE. So, depending on that, dun mo malalaman when mo kailangan mag-register for taxes. So, first of all, pag kakagaling mo lang, like, for example, 1 year DNP ka, and then you just came here, and then reapply, so makukuha mo, most probably, yung result by the 1 month, 2 month mark, depending on how complicated yung exact case mo. But definitely, pagkakuha mo nun, you have about, like, I would say 30 days to get your TIE, pero hindi naman to strictly sinusunod since hindi mo nga alam kung mahirap kasi makakuha ng appointment, to be honest. So, hindi talaga siya nasusunod. And then, of course, once nakakuha ka ng appointment for TIE, kasi yung ibang gestor, which is yung tax accountant, medyo, sila, like, ang dami lang hinihingi. Like, yung padron, which is yung parang registration ng address mo. So, that means kailangan meron ka ng apartment. And then, of course, yung TIE mo. So, I would say, about 2 to 3 months, once na-complete mo na lahat ng process na yun, you have to start paying taxes. And then, yung pagbayad ng taxes kasi is quarterly. So, you have to finish yung end of quarter bago ka magbabayad or bago ibabawas doon sa bank account mo, yung taxes. And then, of course, what I would suggest dun sa second question mo is to hire a gestor, at least for the first year. Kasi, syempre, you don't know their systems, you cannot read Spanish. So, hindi siya good na ipetex yung taxes. You have to make sure you're paying them diligently and correctly para hindi ka din, like, masayang yung pera mo, right? Kung ma-extinguish yung visa mo or mapatawan ka ng penalty when it comes to taxes. So, usually yung mga gestor here is around 40 to 60 euros per month. Pero, deductible din yon sa annual filing mo for taxes. So, definitely you might get a refund on that then. Hope that helped.